Happy New Year, riders! Welcome back to Bike Informer's showrooms. Today, we take you deep inside one of the most exclusive motorcycle manufacturing facilities in the world. This is not just a factory tour. This is a journey into precision, engineering obsession, and raw mechanical power. Welcome to the Kawasaki Ninja H2 production line, where Japanese craftsmanship meets supercharged performance. From raw materials to final inspection, this documentary reveals how the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2 and track-only H2R are born. The philosophy behind the Ninja H2 program. The Ninja H2 project was never meant to follow conventional superbike rules. Kawasaki Heavy Industries approached this machine as a statement, a demonstration of what happens when aerospace, turbine, and motorcycle engineering unite. Unlike mass-produced sport bikes, the H2 and H2R are built with a mindset closer to handcrafted machinery, where tolerances are extreme and perfection is non-negotiable. Every step in the production line reflects Kawasaki's philosophy of balance between automation and human expertise, ensuring both consistency and soul. Inside Kawasaki's Japanese manufacturing facility, the Ninja H2 is produced in a highly controlled Japanese factory where cleanliness, silence, and discipline dominate the environment. Temperature and humidity are regulated to ensure metal stability and coating quality. Unlike high-volume assembly plants, the H2 production area operates at a slower pace, allowing technicians to focus on detail rather than speed. Each section of the factory is dedicated to a specific stage: chassis fabrication, engine assembly, supercharger integration, painting, and final inspection, forming a seamless flow of craftsmanship. Frame manufacturing, trellis steel perfection. The Ninja H2's iconic trellis frame begins as high-tensile steel tubing, cut and shaped with laser precision. Unlike aluminum frames used on most superbikes, this steel trellis is chosen for its strength, flexibility, and ability to handle extreme supercharged forces. Robotic welding ensures structural accuracy, but every frame is later hand-checked by skilled technicians. Weld points are inspected visually and mechanically to confirm strength and uniformity. This frame is the backbone that allows the H2 to safely deliver explosive power. Swing arm and chassis components assembly. The single-sided swing arm is machined from lightweight yet rigid alloy components. Each swing arm undergoes stress testing before installation. Suspension mounting points are measured down to microns, ensuring perfect geometry. At this stage, the frame, swing arm, and steering head are temporarily assembled to verify alignment. Only after passing strict tolerance checks do they proceed to the next phase. Engine assembly, built by hand, not by speed. The heart of the Ninja H2 is assembled almost entirely by hand. Unlike mass-produced engines, one technician assembles each engine from start to finish, taking responsibility for every bolt, bearing, and clearance. Crankshafts are balanced, pistons are matched by weight, and connecting rods are inspected individually. Torque values are applied manually using calibrated tools, ensuring consistency across all engines. This human-centered approach guarantees reliability under extreme supercharged stress. The supercharger, a mechanical masterpiece. The most defining element of the Ninja H2 and H2R is its centrifugal supercharger, developed in collaboration with Kawasaki's aerospace division. Unlike turbochargers, this supercharger is mechanically driven, delivering instant power without lag. Each impeller is machined from billet aluminum with extreme precision. Before exhaust, intake, and cooling system installation. Titanium exhaust systems are assembled with precision welding, reducing weight while handling extreme temperatures. Intake systems are carefully sealed to ensure optimal airflow to the supercharger. Radiators and cooling hoses are installed with special attention to routing, ensuring efficient heat dissipation even under prolonged high-speed operation. At this stage, the motorcycle begins to resemble the beast it is known to be. Hand-painted mirror-finished bodywork. One of the most visually striking elements of the Ninja H2 is its mirror-finished paint. Unlike vinyl wraps or standard paint, Kawasaki uses a multi-layer coating process that includes reflective metallic layers. Each body panel is hand-painted, polished, and inspected under specialized lighting. Even the smallest imperfection leads to rejection. This process alone can take several days for a single set of fairings. The result is a surface that reflects light like liquid metal. Final assembly, bringing everything together. In final assembly, the engine is mounted into the frame, electronics are installed, and wiring looms are carefully routed. Every connector is checked twice. Brake systems are bled manually, and suspension settings are calibrated. For the H2R, track-focused suspension tuning is applied, while road-going H2 models receive adjustable settings suitable for street and circuit use. This stage transforms components into a complete motorcycle. Quality control and testing procedures. Before leaving the factory, every Ninja H2 undergoes a comprehensive inspection. This includes electronic diagnostics, torque verification, fluid pressure tests, and visual inspection by senior technicians. Engines are briefly run to confirm smooth operation. Any irregularity, no matter how minor, sends the motorcycle back for correction. Kawasaki's reputation depends on this uncompromising approach. Why the Ninja H2 is more than